to Jericho. After playing the role of Quezon, what did you realize about yourself or about your love for the country? And the next one, the second one, if you are Quezon in this time, how will you resolve the issue of corruption?
Oh, yung una muna, sige.
Sure.
Mabigat yung second eh. Oh, yeah.
It's very, I must admit, mahirap na solve yan. Sagutin yung question na yan, okay? But I will try.
First love of country, you discovered about yourself?
Yeah. Nag-usap kami ni Gerald kanina, pareho kami palakol sa history. Bago nung nasa high school at ano. And I really never liked history. Bored me to death and I was just like falling asleep always. And because of this film, parang nabuhay yung pagka-Pilipino ko. And it's such a blessing. The timing was perfect. If we all know that it was going to be played by TJ, but now he went a different path, and we had to talk with him. Make sure, hey, how are you? Kamusta? He even visited the set. He was so wonderful, graceful, and everything. And so I said, Gerald had asked, would you like to play the role of Manuel Quezon? So I jumped right away without even understanding what it meant. I just said, yes. And he said, gusto mo pang basahin yung script? Ay, oo. Remember that? When you called me, I was at nasa Lavender Fields ako. Yun pala may meaning yun. May meaning pala yung pag-play ng presidente ng Pilipinas. Walang presidente ng Commonwealth. So anyway, cut the long story short, I understand now how important history is. And I understood that the reason why I fall asleep in history class and nung bata ako is because I didn't care about the country. It is care that actually makes you move. It is love that makes you move. You love your family, then you move. You love your friends, then you move. You do the things that no one would ever do for them because you love them. And because of this film, I saw how important it is for everyone to take responsibility and actually knowing and understanding saan ba tayo galing? Sino ba itong mga hinahalal natin? Sino ba itong nilagay natin? Hindi pa po ako nagma-mic drop. But it's very important for us to understand what we love most about our country so that we will be proud again. And through history, dyan mo malalaman bakit ko ba mahal yung Pilipinas. So naiintindihan ko ngayon because of this film that now I am more involved. How do we solve corruption? Corruption is just like a pimple. It's the byproduct of puyat and the oil and everything that we eat na hindi If going back to the question of ano yung mapupulot natin dito sa pelikula na to, play the trailer 10 times if you need to because the answer is there. All the words that he selected, that he cut, has a meaning there. Meron siyang meaning. Saan ba nanggagaling ito? Bakit ba nakakalusot? Hindi trabaho ng isang tao ang pag-solve ng corruption. Trabaho nating buong Pilipinas, bawat isang Pilipino. Kaya namin pinili, I am the Philippines, because we also should take responsibility. What do we need? What do we actually need? Then write it down and announce it. We need a website so we can check everything, what's happening around us. We need information, we need this, we need that, we need to fact check and everything because it is our taxes. It is the money. We serve each other. How do we solve it? We all have the answers. Not one man, not one person.
The collective. Thank you. Thank you for
I would like to comment Echo kasi tawag dito, ano ba nangyari sa daliri mo? Kasi it's a show na napaka-professional mo na umattend ka ng Grand Press Con kahit may nangyari sa daliri mo. Ano ba nangyari?
Nakakalakad pa naman.
Whatever, what happened? Ano yan?
Kinagat ng kotse ko. Hindi, actually, naipit siya sa pinto ng sasakyan na medyo may surgery na. Pero okay lang, nakakalakad naman ako. Okay naman. Thank you. Hindi lang ako makapaglinis ng ilong. But anyway, yeah. Thank you.
Bilang aktor, isa sa pinakamahirap na gawin ay yung real life story, ano? Nung ginagawa mo ba, pinaportray mo si Quezon, feeling mo ba ay ginagaya mo siya o ina-acting?
pag inacting mo kasi hindi na totoo eh. Kailangan maging totoo sa'yo, kaya mahirap siyang gawin. Kailangan namin na gayahin siya. Kaya, kailangan ko maintindihan, kailangan namin maintindihan, nila Mon, nila Ben, bilang kami ni Ben, Quezon 1, Quezon 2, pati sa staff namin may Quezon 3 and 4. We all have to understand kung paano siya mag-isip, paano niya gamitin yung karisma niya, paano siya sa tao, sa relasyon, sa mga gamit, sa pananamit. Kailangan namin gayahin lahat at maintindihan. Kaya nagkakalkalan kami ng mga mangyayari. Sila Ben, lagi kami nagpapasahan ng information. And just like I said kanina, binigyan kami ng mga materyales para pag-aralan namin. Sapat yung mga binigay sa amin ng materyales para malaman namin yung mga pinakamaliit na kibot niya, kung ano man yun. So, kaya pagkatapos ng pelikula, nakakapagod siya. Nung pagkatapos ng pelikula, ewan ko kung ako lang yun, pero karamihan sa amin naiyak. Kasi bibitawan mo na siya eh. Napakalaki, napakabigat, napakaibang tao, ibang klaseng tao. Kahit sa ngayon panahon na to, masasabi ko sa inyo, kakaibang klaseng tao. Kaya para gawin yun, parang kulang nga yung 2-3 buwan kung gusto namin na talagang bugbugin pa yung preparasyon namin eh. Pero napakasarap na nandyan ka, binibigay mo yung lahat mo, tapos nandyan silang lahat ng team namin. Pati yung mga actors, nagko-contribute kami sa isa't isa. I've never been, okay, not to be unfair, with all due respect sa lahat ng mga sets and productions na ginawa ko. This team has been so involved in everything, every part and everyone. So, yeah, cheers to everyone.
Follow-up lang.
Sorry, can we give time? We need to get, that was already the questions.
Follow-up lang dun sa, was there a time na na-feel mo na sinabihan ka ni Quezon?
Thank you.
Mga pananalita niya na nakuha ko. One time may pumasok. I mean, sa mga photographs, yun yung pinaka... Hindi naman ako sinapian. Punyeta lang ako ng punyeta, pero hindi naman ako sinapian. But when you say sinapian kasi, not spiritually or horror, but yung ugali niya pinasok ko sa katawan ko eh. Inintindi ko kung paano mag-isip ng isang presidente na ganyan. Paano ano ba nangyayari sa kanya? And kadalasan, one time, dumating ako sa bahay, pag bumisita si Janine sa bahay, and kasama yun, sabi na, oh my God, kamukha mo si Quezon. And then yung staff namin sa bahay, Sir, ano ba? Bakit? Para ka matanda. So, there were times that I would even surprise everyone. And so,
Inuwi mo.
Inuwi ko siya. But there was no choice. You have to bring it home. I'm not a method actor. But you have to bring it home. I mean, Ben can add to that. Right, Ben? Di na? Huwag na.
Thank you.
Salamat.